The next several Matt's Weather School episodes are mainly going to be focusing on winter weather. First, today, how rain can transform into some sleet, freezing rain, and even some snow. Then we'll talk about snowflakes and how intricate those designs can be. And then we're going to discuss lake effect snow, which is pretty fascinating. We don't get a lot of it here, but it certainly can be a pretty sight, especially the closer to the lake you are. So first, let's talk about winter precipitation types. I know this kind of sounds a little bit boring, but really it's fascinating. The atmosphere has multiple layers, right? Usually the closer to the surface you are, the warmer it is. The higher up in the sky you go, the colder it is. Now, when the temperatures are above freezing from top to bottom, typically you're just going to see rain. It falls as rain and it hits the ground as rain. Then we have freezing rain. What typically happens is you have an above freezing air mass that overrides a below freezing surface. So what falls is rain, but when it hits that below freezing surface, it supercools or rapidly freezes, and thus creating an ice storm. And then we have sleet, which is essentially rain or melted snow, which freezes into ice pellets before hitting the ground. So it falls as rain in that shallow layer of above freezing temperatures, but it kind of crystallizes or turns icy just before it hits the ground. And then we have snow. And snow essentially forms when you have below freezing temperatures from top to bottom. It starts as these little snowflakes and it ends as snow. And there you have it. Rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. And all these weather events really greatly depend on the temperature, not just at the surface, but in the layers of the atmosphere. Now, this is a headache, as you can imagine, to forecast. And over the next few weather schools, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to talk more about these winter events, particularly snow and lake effect snow, and how it can impact us here at home.